Hello guys! So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how I did my mask that I've been selling on Facebook Marketplace and Mercari. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we're gonna use a sewing machine. The last video that I uploaded was like mask sewing by hand. So today I'm gonna show you how to make mask using a sewing machine. So I'm gonna show you how to make the mask using our sewing machine. So we have here four pieces of fabric. First we need felt. I'm using felt to put in a face mask to serve as our filter. And then here is the main fabric that goes in front. I have a Paris Glam. It's beautiful. It's cotton. It's cotton. And then we have for the pocket filter and for our lining. Okay, now let's start with the main fabric that goes in front. We have to turn it over right side together. Hold it up. And then you're gonna put one piece of the felt in the bottom and put this main fabric in the middle. And we have to sew this from here to there. Okay, now let's start with our sewing machine. Close that up. You stitch back and sew it all the way. Back. And then now, to make this fast, you're just gonna sew this from here. So, there. That way we don't have to cut the thread. Then right side together. I hope I don't stick with that. Yep. So make sure it's aligned and sew it up. So cut the thread. Got that. Got that. This is like how to make it fast. Like you can make it in 5 minutes. We'll see. So this one for a pocket filter, you have to sew the side to make it nice and neat. Just fold it once, and then fold it again, and sew it up. You stitch back. My automatic cutter didn't work. And then on the other side, fold it once, fold it again, and sew it. There we have that for our pocket filter. So we need to turn it right inside out. Okay, now this is the front one, right there. Okay, now we are done with our three pieces. Now it's time to put them all together. First, either there, and then the pocket filter. Put it right side together, and then the lining. There. Make sure they're all aligned. There. So they're in one piece. Just sew it from there to there and there to there. Okay. Make sure they're all aligned. You stitch back and you stitch back. You guys can see it. And then on this side, stitch back on this side. So it looks like this, and this is our back. So now we have to turn him over. Like, you have to pick this one and just push this inside and get it. There, it's now inside out. Now we have put them inside out, so there's 4 layers in there in total. There's the front one, we have the felt and the lining, and our pocket filter. It's a thick mask. So right there. And now it formed a mask, and we needed like a 4-5 inch elastic. I'm using black because I think it will match on the thing, and but you can use white. Just fold it on the edge side and pull it inside like so, like push that in there. So just tuck it inside just like that, and then you put your elastic one on that side. I'm using like just 5-inch, not the circle one. That way they can tie a knot and just make it fit to their ears. We'll just sew that up. Now in this elastic you have to like stitch back and forth. That way the elastic won't easily come out, so it holds strong. If you can see, I am sewing back and forth. So then it looks like that. The good thing I like this one is because then you can just tie a knot in there and make it fit. I'll shoot it to you later. So first we're gonna finish it. Same thing, you just tuck it inside, hide at the edge, put elastic, put in this other side, and then sew it. Now view back, stitch back. Just cut all the excess thread because we don't want that in there. Oops. So now it's ready. So this is now our finished product mask. This is the front. Okay, I have to tie the knot. I prefer this one. That way I can adjust. Like, people can adjust on their size that make them fit. There. There you have it, guys. That's your full face mask. Like, you can adjust it. This doesn't really bother me, but you can loosen it or tighten it. There. And on the other side, it's like a full face. It's got a little bit loose on me. I can tighten up with this elastic. So there you have it, guys. It's like a 5 minutes mask. For if you guys looking for the pattern for this, I will have to put it on the link below for this mask. I got this at like they have on like Facebook. I saw this on Facebook. It says a million mask challenge. Like everybody was sewing masks and they're giving those a free pattern. So I will have to put that on the link below so you can download it and print it out and you can have this pattern. If you are new to my channel, I am Jen and I am doing video tutorial of some crafts that I do and some stuff that I DIY, and I would really love to share it to you. So if you are interested on learning or watching my videos, you are definitely gonna subscribe and follow me so you can you get updated on all the videos that I posted on YouTube for all the craft that I made, and it might help you. So if you are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.